Not today. I'm going to work. Keep an eye to house.
Johnny Test. Excuses never listen to me. I want you to make a delicious meatball sandwich. How about you and kick your ass, go to the kitchen and make me some meatballs and catch?
Garfielf, I'm trying. I said no.
Meatballs and catch.
Garfield, what? I mean, stop talking about a meatball sandwich, you fucking shit cat.
Please.
You fucking kitty cat. Stop asking questions. I'm going to chop your face out and I'm going to put 20-pound shot on your balls, you fool. Okay, Gar. I'm going to make your meatball sandwich now.
Oh, fuck yeah, meatball sandwich. Here I come. Chim 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 chomp. John Stupid, what's funny?
Oh, ha 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 ha. I put some in your meatball sandwich. There's some vinegar alcohol in it. Holy motherfucking snaps in my eyeballs is going to explosion. HTTPFVVUICYXHJXUXZHXHCUCUFUDHDCGUICYCYD